I couldn't find pumpkin at the store, so I decided to roast my own pumpkin this year. This recipe is in our Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 2 on page 153. Just take your entire pie pumpkin, put it in your oven at 350 degrees. Roast until a knife is inserted easily into the side. Then split open your pumpkin. Please don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when we get new videos. Then you're going to remove the seeds from the middle of the pumpkin. Save them later for roasted pumpkin seeds. They are absolutely delicious. Then you're going to remove the skin from the pumpkin. Then it's ready to use in your favorite pumpkin recipes. To roast pumpkin seeds, take your pumpkin seeds, slime and all, and put them in some water. Squish the slime around and that breaks the seeds from the slime and they will be separated. Then take another bowl and separate your pumpkin seeds. They usually float to the top and are fairly easy to remove from the slime. You can do this 2 or 3 times until all the slime is removed if you don't get it the first time. You can see here I had a little bit of a harder time getting the slime removed. For me, I ended up doing it 3 times on this batch of pumpkin seeds. Then you're going to lay it out on your roasting pan and sprinkle liberally with salt, and make sure your pumpkin seeds are about 1 layer thick. Put them in the oven. If you like your pumpkin seeds darker and crunchier like we do, bake them for 5 to 10 minutes longer and they will become a dark golden brown. Then serve and enjoy. This recipe is in our Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 1, 35% off right now. The link is in the description below. All you're going to do is take and mix cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and cloves. Then stir and use in any of your favorite pumpkin recipes. For 2-ingredient pumpkin muffins, it just takes 2 ingredients. Cake mix of any flavor. We like chocolate and pumpkin. You can use spice cake, yellow cake, white cake, chocolate, any desired cake that you want. Then mix well until well blended. The batter will be very thick. Then add any additional add-ins you'd like. We add chocolate chips for double chocolate chip muffins. Then I like to spray each muffin cup just so that they easily release from the muffin liner. Fill about 2/3 full. And then you're going to bake. In the description below, you can find a link to get all of these recipes at livingonadime.com. For creamy pumpkin cupcakes, take 1 spice cake or yellow cake, whichever you would like. Put it in a bowl, add your eggs, your water, and your oil, just like you would a normal cake mix. Then mix like you would a normal cake mix and add 1 can of pumpkin. Then mix until well blended. And you can add your pudding mix. I forgot to add it in with mixing the other things, so you can just put it in as you're mixing everything else, but of course I forgot. Take your cream cheese and your sugar and mix them until well blended. Spray your cupcake liners. Then fill about half full. Put about a tablespoon of the cream cheese mixture on each cupcake. Don't knock your little guy off the table. I was very sad. But thankfully I had some super glue and I was able to fix him. He was super cute. Then add enough batter until your cupcakes fill about 2/3 full. Place in the oven and bake. Then you have yummy, creamy pumpkin cupcakes. Pumpkin frosting pie is an easy, no-bake dessert that anybody can make. Add your pumpkin and your pumpkin pie spice, 1 can of vanilla frosting. You could also do cream cheese frosting if you wanted, and 8 ounces of sour cream. Stir until well blended. I've never tried it, but you could probably use chocolate frosting also. Then you're going to take 1 tub of whipped topping or whipped cream if you prefer, and stir it in until it's all folded together and put in a graham cracker pie crust. You can garnish with whipped topping or whipped cream if you'd like. Pumpkin Crunch. Pumpkin Crunch is in our Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 2, on page 309. Take your 1 can of pumpkin, put it in a medium-sized bowl. Then you're going to crack your 3 eggs. And remove the eggshells that happen to drop in. Add your evaporated milk. If you don't have evaporated milk, you can use regular milk. Evaporated milk just gives it a thicker consistency. Add your cinnamon and your sugar and stir until well blended. Sometimes cinnamon doesn't mix in well, and in that case just use a whisk to get all the little cinnamon lumps out. Spray your 9x13 pan with spray oil, pour in your pumpkin mixture, and then you're going to take 1 cake mix and pour it on top. You can use any flavor of cake mix you'd like. Chocolate would be really tasty. Then you're going to take melted butter and spread it all over the top and bake. This is a type of dump cake. It's so super easy and delicious that everyone will love it. Please be sure to watch the next video down below and visit us at livingonadime.com. We will see you guys next time. Oh no, I just ruined the whole recipe. Seriously?
How did you ruin it?
Oh, never mind. Okay, quiet.